Hi, I'm Lisa. Okay, let me tell you something weird that happened to me the other day. I was sitting inside a train, waiting for it to start moving. I was all comfy, had my snacks, looking out the window, and suddenly I felt like my train was moving. My heart skipped and I was like, whoa, are we leaving already? But then I realized, nope, my train hadn't moved at all. It was the train right beside me that started rolling away. And for a moment, my brain totally got tricked. So, why does that happen? Well, here's the thing, our brains don't actually feel motion directly. Instead, they rely a lot on our eyes. When you're sitting still in a train and you see another train sliding past your window, your eyes are screaming, hey, we're moving too. But your body, sitting perfectly still, is like, I don't feel anything. And then your brain gets confused because the signals don't match. For a split second, it believes the eyes more than the body, and boom, you feel like your train is moving. This whole trick has a science-why name, relative motion. Basically, your brain judges whether you're moving by comparing you to the things around you. If the train next to you starts gliding smoothly, your brain decides, well, compared to that, we must be moving too. It's kind of like the world's sneakiest illusion, but instead of colors and shapes, it's about movement. Want a fun way to picture it? Think of your eyes as the overexcited kid in class, always blurting out the first answer, we're moving. Meanwhile, your inner ear, the part that helps with balance, is the calm teacher saying, actually, nope, we're still. But your brain listens to the kid first, and that's how you get tricked. And here's the cool part, this doesn't just happen on trains. If you're sitting in a parked car and the car next to you starts rolling back, you might panic and slam your brakes even though you weren't moving at all. That's relative motion playing mind games with you. So, the next time you're on a train and it feels like you're moving just because the other one pulled out, don't worry. Just laugh and say, nice one, relative motion. You fooled me again.